Dear student, in the first part of the domestic installation chapter, we discussed the introduction. Various accessories associated with the domestic installation are discussed. Now, in the second part of the domestic installation, we will discuss the various tests to be conducted. There are the following tests which we can discuss, which we can carry on the domestic installation. The tests are insulation resistance test. Second test is open circuit test. Third is polarity test. Fourth is the earthing test. We will discuss these tests one by one along with the diagram, with the help of the diagram, so it can be easy understood by you. So first test is insulation resistance test. This test to be conducted in two ways. That is, it is conductor to earth test, and second is conductor to conductor test. Means insulation resistance is to be measured conductor to earth, and then the second part is between conductors. Now let's show in the figure. This is the diagram how we can perform the conductor to the earth test. The another name of this test is a leakage test. In this test, insulation resistance between conductor to earth is measured for determining the leakage current. This test is carried out to check the insulation of the wires and the earth used in the installation. For performing this test, as shown in the diagram, a megger is used, and these are the DPIC, double pore iron gallium switch, in which two fuses are used. Procedure for performing this test is main switch, it should be in off position. Remove all the fuses from the main switch only. Distribution board fuses should not be taken out. All the switches, lamps, fans, socket outlets are in on position. Now connect the E terminal of megger to the earthing point as shown in the figure, and the second terminal L it is connected to both. Sort these line terminal as fuses are out. Now sort this L and neutral and connect this L terminal. Now the connection is complete for performing the conductor to earth resistance test. Now we will rotate the megger at a suitable speed so that a voltage is generated and reading comes easily. Now we will observe the reading from the display board of the megger, and it should not be less than 1 mega ohm. One another important point to be noted here, that is, while performing this test, do not touch any of these terminals, otherwise you will observe a several shock, which is very dangerous. So be careful while performing this test. The second test is insulation resistance between conductor to conductor. This is the diagram, this is the figure, and the connection is done right here. This test is carried out for measuring the insulation resistance between various circuits, sub-circuits, line conductors, etc. The main purpose of this test is to check whether the insulation is healthy or not between the conductors. For performing this test, remove all the lamps from their holders, disconnect all outlets, fan points, but keep all the switches in on position. Put in all the fuses in the distribution board. Now connect the E terminal of megger to the neutral point and L terminal of megger to the line terminal in the DPIC board, and rotate the megger so that it will generate the suitable voltages and reading will come. Again, if the reading comes in at a very high value, that it should not be less than 1 mega ohm, then the insulation resistance between conductors to conductor is okay and is in healthy conditions. The third test we will perform is continuity or open circuit test. This test is used to check the continuity of circuit, sub-circuit, and the load points. In this test, put the main switch in the off position. Remove all the fuses from the distribution board, all the lamps, fans, socket, outlet in the circuits. All the switches should be in the off position. Connect the two terminals of megger to one of the circuit in the distribution board between phase and neutral. Now again rotate the switch is in on and off position 1 by 1. The value on the maker shows 0. It is in on position. It is in the on position, and infinity value it shows the off position. Then the continuity of the circuit is right. If the maker shows the 0 reading, or then there will be no continuity is okay, and if it shows the infinity reading, then it is open circuit. The next test is the polarity test. Polarity test, this test is as line wire always be in switch and neutral be in lamp or the outlet. For this test, open the cover of the switch, then with the help of the tester or a test lamp arrangement, we can perform this test. The tester will glow on the line conductor if the line wire will be in the switch. With the help of the test lamp, one terminal is connected with the switch and other with the earth. The test lamp will glow be line wire in switch, otherwise not. So this we can perform the polarity test with the help of the tester, and the test is a earthing test. In this test, main switch is on and all the fuses are in the on position. Put switches of outlet is in on, and then test all the outlets with the help of the test lamp by connecting one terminal of lamp in the outer terminal and other terminal of the test lamp to the earthing terminal, as we discussed in case of the polarity test. Lamp should glow if the earth resistance is satisfactory. If the earth value is, if the lamp does not glow properly, then there is there is a leakage in the earthing. There is a earth leakage. We should reduce the earth resistance by adopting the various methods. So in this second part of, we discuss the various tests carried out on the domestic installation, and I am hoping that this will be very useful for you. And for any questions or any query, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 94162 Thank you for watching me. Thank you once again.